closing techniques. The problem with a lot of people is we tell all the good things about our product, about our service. We tell people about how this product is going to be helpful for you, how this is going to be really remarkable, how this is going to really help you. We tell them about all the deliverables. But the moment we are required to ask for the money, the moment we are required to ask people to invest, that is where we find it a little tough, right? And we are like, okay, should we ask people for the money? How do I ask people for the money? Does that happen with us, ladies and gentlemen? True, right? It happens with so many of us. And it happened with me also in the initial part of my journey. Not now anymore, but yes, in the initial part of the journey, I was like, how do I ask people to invest the money? What if they feel bad? What if they feel that I'm pushing them? What if they feel that, okay, is he trying to sell us? Was that the reason why he was doing this work? Whatever sector, whatever domain, whatever industry you were a part of, we always have that feeling. How the other person is going to think, what the other person is going to think about me. Those are the things that actually prevent us from going all in. And that is why a strong closing is extremely important. You know what? Lack of belief in probably your own self or your selling strategies or your product, either of these three reasons or maybe all three of them, is why you are not pushing really hard to ask people to buy your product or your service. That is number one. The second thing is we have never been trained. Do you understand why a lot of people find it difficult when it comes to selling? Is because we have never ever been trained. Do you agree? We understand that, right? And the reason why that happens is because we got to realize this, that we need to have that 100% faith upon our product. Think about it. Whichever industry, whichever domain, whichever niche you would be a part of, you would see that it's essential for us to push people. But in every industry, in every domain, in every niche, people are trained. Whether you are in the hospitality industry, whether you are into banking, whether you are into finance, whether you are into IT or you are into coaching, आप किसी भी industry में हो, आप किसी भी niche में हो, आपको training दी जाती है. But when it comes to sales, we are not trained. And that is the reason why a lot of people are not able to sell effectively. You tell me, before this program was launched, when was the last time when you got any training pertaining to sales? Ironically, it did not happen. Do you agree? It never happened for us. And that is why I say this to people, please learn how to sell effectively. And you need to get that right training so that you would be able to sell effectively and get even more results for your own self. And that is the reason why we have started with this program, because a lot of people were afraid about sales. A lot of people were like, how would I be able to do the sales? That is why this program has come up. Number one. The second thing is, once you are trained, then you would know how to close effectively. All the strategies that are required, how will we use all those strategies so that we would be able to close effectively. And if you don't understand the real meaning of close means that you are actually making the other person commit to buy your product or your service. That is the actual meaning of closing. And that is precisely what each one of you has to do. Now, once we get into this sector, once we cover more modules inside this particular domain, we will understand how closing is being done. But till then, my first task for each one of you is, why is it essential to have a strong closing? You got to make a video and write notes. Why is it essential to have a strong closing? Everybody.